Hey Pro Bono crew, it's Claire to Zero here, and I wanted to just drop in with one question for this really key time of the year. As you know, we've only really got a month left of this year, but not only that, there's this little bit of a panicked sense that we're also coming up to the end of the decade, and we are. It's nearly the end of the 2010s. And so with this time in mind, you may be feeling a bit worn down by the roller coaster of life. You might be feeling excited and hopeful about a fresh start of either the new year or the decade. But either way, I wanted to share with you one question today. Now, this question, like most of the tools that we share, gives you that chance to slow down so that you can go faster. Just to slow down time, slow down the huge amount of connectivity that we've got these days. Slow down and step away from that to-do list and just trust yourself that you have the answer to this question. So the question is, in a year's time, what would you be glad that you started today? In 1 year's time, what would you be glad that you started today? Now, I'm confident that you know the answer to this question. It may be to do with work, maybe to do with relationships, maybe to do with your health, maybe to do with something else, but I know that you know. And in this connected world, so often we think that we need to look externally for these answers. You know, just Google some more information or learn some more or ask somebody else. I mean, in actual fact, I'm pretty sure if I had to put money on it that you'd actually know the true answer to that question. So give yourself some space in this hectic year-end time to just pay attention to what that answer is and carve out some time in your diary, even if it's a small amount, once or each day, just to get started on that. If you need any support with shifting your mindset or getting started or getting motivated or understanding more about procrastination, then head on over to our site and you can find loads of information there. You can sign up in the links below and have some fun with it. Thanks.